In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to best time block on Google Calendar for productivity. Time blocking turns your calendar into a clear game plan instead of a never-ending to-do list. Start by opening Google Calendar on your computer. On the left, click the plus sign next to other calendars and choose Create New Calendar. Make separate calendars for categories like work, content creation, clients, personal growth, personal, and health. Give each one a distinct color so your week becomes a visual map at a glance. You can toggle calendars on and off to reduce clutter when you need to focus. Next, set your defaults so the calendar works for you. Click the gear icon, open settings, then event settings. Choose a default event duration like 30 or 60 minutes and set 2 reminders, for example, 10 minutes and 1 hour before. Pick your preferred notification style, email or pop-up. These tiny defaults prevent missed tasks and save you clicks every day. Now time block your day. Instead of writing a list, drag blocks directly onto the calendar. For example, schedule 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock a.m. for admin tasks, 9 o'clock to 11 a.m. for deep work, 1 o'clock to 2 p.m. for client calls, and 4 to 5 p.m. for content creation. Treat these blocks like appointments with yourself. If something changes, move the block instead of skipping it, and try leaving small buffers between sessions. Automate what repeats. Open any event and set it to repeat. Add a weekly planning block on Sunday evening, a monthly budget review, recurring client check-ins, and your gym schedule. Recurring events reduce decision fatigue and ensure the important routines always have protected space. Protect your focus. Use focus time to automatically decline meetings during deep work windows. Mark out of office when you're unavailable so invites are declined for you. If you use tasks, integrate them into your calendar so simple to-dos appear as schedulable blocks. This keeps your attention from getting hijacked by last-minute meetings. Sync everywhere so you never miss a beat. Install the Google Calendar app on your phone, enable notifications, and make sure your main calendars are set to sync. Connect your calendar to tools like Gmail, Zoom, or Google Meet so meeting links and invites appear automatically. Double check your time zone if you travel to keep blocks accurate. Finally, use event descriptions smartly. Add the meeting agenda, quick notes, relevant links like video calls or docs, and a short checklist, and keeping context inside the event saves time and reduces tab hopping. With your categories, defaults, blocks, automations, focus tools, sync, and clear descriptions in place, your calendar becomes a reliable system that drives your productivity every day.